After a company defines its supply chain strategy and set the performance target for the market it serves, the next step is to develop the systems needed to implement the strategy. Often existing systems need to be enhanced and the new systems need to be built. This chapter presents a process to follow to create the detailed systems design and to build those systems. And organizations will frequently employ the help of consultants and software vendors to do this work. However, no company can delegate the work entirely to outsiders and expect that their best interests will be served. Companies that do not stay actively involved in this work put themselves in a very vulnerable positions where they depend on the kindness of the strangers. Organizing the Systems Development Project. In Chapter 5, a three steps process to create new system was introduced. The three steps in this process are define, design, and build. The first step is also discussed in that chapter. This chapter presents the last two steps in the process. Use this three-step process to organize the project. Each step has a certain amount of time and budget that should be allocated to it. Organize and run the project so that the work that needs to be done in each step is done within the boundaries of this time and budget limits. There is a short list of 6 principles that should be used to run a project. If these 6 principles are consistently applied, the probability of success for the project is very high. If any one of these principles is ignored, then special precautions must be taken to compensate for that. If two or more principles are violated, then the project is almost sure to fail. Next is designing supply chain systems. The purpose of the design step is to flesh out the conceptual system designs and create the detailed system specifications. This step also creates the detailed project plan and budget needed to build the system. This is where the people who will work on the project get to take a look at what senior management wants and figure out how they will do it. This is where adjustments and refinements are made to the project objectives, as the people who have to build a system consider the realities of the project before them. There are two main things that need to be done in the design phase. 1. Create detailed process flow diagrams for the new system. 2. Build and test the system prototype. Use the technique called time boxing to lay out a work schedule and get the things done according to that schedule.